Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I am April Renee and I help women build and grow businesses with brand strategy, web development, and marketing execution. In this particular video, I am just going to show you how to update your credit card or debit card information for like your subscriptions for Wix. And by subscriptions, I mean like your hosting, if you've purchased a domain, if you've purchased the inbox or email box from Wix, this is how you will update how that's getting paid. So let's just say hypothetically, you have already signed into Wix. You are going to be on this page here. If it doesn't bring you here, you just want to go to My Sites up in your left-hand corner, and then it will bring you here. What you would then do is you would go over to your right-hand side, click the drop down right underneath your name. You will see payment methods. So you want to click payment methods. And this is going to be where all of your payment methods are. So if you already have a payment method on file, what you can do is you could just go to that payment method, hit actions, and then you could hit update. Now, what it will do is it will list everything that's attached to the current card that's already on file. And when you hit next, it will ask you to enter in the information, of course, and then you'd update it. Now, just keep in mind that when you had hit update, it lists all of these, and pretty much when you update the card here, it's going to update the card information for all of the subscriptions that you have on file. Most people will only have their hosting, their email, and possibly their hosting, their domain, and their email box. That's all most people have. But of course, I have a lot because I develop. Another thing that you could do is you could either go here, this blue button here, add a payment method, and or right here, add a payment method. When you add that payment method, enter in the information, you would save it. It will pop up just like how these are here. And then it will give you the action button. So that way, then you could connect whatever subscription you'd like to connect to that card specifically. Another way that you can update your card information is if, let's just say you go back up to the top in your right-hand corner. If you go under premium subscriptions, you can also see premium subscriptions on the left-hand side in this bar here, but we'll just go here at the top. So hit premium subscriptions. And on your back end and your website, it's only going to show you one. So I'll show you how it will look because you will only have one site. Of course, I have multiple, but it will show you your site and everything that you're paying for through Wix. And then if you hit this little button here, this little circle with a couple dots in there, then you can update the payment method. And then it's going to ask you a couple options. Do you just want to update this one line item? Do you want to update all of the subscriptions? Or do you want to update everything that your card is connected to, which you wouldn't more than likely have to worry about that because, again, I developed. That's why you see so many. Those are the two ways that you want to update your card information. And again, another thing to kind of take note of since you be on this premium subscriptions page is the next payment due date. Right underneath here is just pretty much saying when your card would be charged again. So if you go under view payment details, it will tell you when it's going to be charged again. So that way, if you anticipate a card or an account change through your bank, you could go in there and update it right before that anticipated withdrawal date. That's it. That is how you update the credit card information. If you need additional help, feel free to email me at info@brandedbyapril.com. I will leave other resources in the description box. And let me know how you feel about this video. Of course, like it, share it, download it, whatever you need to do with it. It is yours. Bye.